Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you guys? My name is Mahmoud. I'm an Arabic language tutor. I teach Quran and Arabic to native speakers. So if you'd like to have a lesson online with me, Quran or Arabic, you can email me here at ustazmahmoud184@gmail.com. Today we have a special guest. Today we have my son, Abdul Rahman. His name is Abdul Rahman. Assalamu alaikum. How are you?
How are you?
Okay. Okay. And today, inshallah, we're going to learn how to say in Arabic apparently. We're going to learn how to say apparently in Arabic language. And as we usually do, we'll take an example first. Please look at this sentence. Apparently, it's going to rain today. Apparently, it's going to rain today. How to say this sentence in Arabic? Well, we say يبدو أنها ستمطر اليوم. يبدو أنها ستمطر اليوم. يبدو أنها apparently ستمطر going to rain اليوم today. يبدو أنها ستمطر اليوم. So apparently in Arabic language means يبدو أن. يبدو أن, and after it you add اسم, you add a noun, or you add ضمير, a pronoun, possessive pronoun especially. So اسم or ضمير. And let's see some examples. Please look at the first sentence. Apparently the company is losing a lot of money. Apparently the company is losing a lot of money. How to say this sentence in Arabic? Well, we say يبدو أن الشركة تخسر الكثير من النقود. يبدو أن الشركة تخسر الكثير من النقود. يبدو أن apparently الشركة the company تخسر is losing الكثير من a lot of money النقود. يبدو أن الشركة تخسر الكثير من النقود. The second sentence. Apparently, she wasn't ready for this decision. Apparently, she... The second sentence. Please look. Apparently, she wasn't ready for this decision. Apparently, she wasn't ready for this decision. How to say this sentence? Well, we say يبدو أنها لم تكن مستعدة لهذا القرار. يبدو أنها لم تكن مستعدة لهذا القرار. يبدو أنها apparently لم تكن she wasn't مستعدة ready لهذا القرار for this decision. يبدو أنها لم تكن مستعدة لهذا القرار. The last sentence. Apparently he doesn't speak English. Apparently he doesn't speak English. How to say this sentence? يبدو أنه لا يتحدث الإنجليزية. يبدو أنه لا يتحدث الإنجليزية. يبدو أنه apparently لا يتحدث he doesn't speak الإنجليزية English. يبدو أنه لا يتحدث الإنجليزية. So as you see from the previous sentences, apparently in Arabic language means يبدو أن, and after it you add اسم or you add a pronoun. It depends. Okay, and that's the end of our lesson today. I hope it's useful for you, inshallah. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe for the channel, and if you could share this video with your friends, I'll be really grateful for this. And also try to use apparently in Arabic, making sentence from your mind. Okay, and write it in the comment and I will reply to you. Don't forget to make dua for me and for my family. Thank you, and I see you in other lessons, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.